Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to study how to use offset command in AutoCAD. So students, for that, you can see here I have taken the example of rectangle, circle and a line. Okay, to understand the offset command. So here to use the offset command, you can use this menu bar. Okay, from here, from the home page, you can select offset from this bar. As you can see here, this is the offset icon. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, when we click on this, the offset command will be initiated. Okay, as you can see here, I have clicked on offset and offset command has been initiated. Okay, so see here, another method is we can use the shortcut key. We need to type O, as you can see here, and then press enter. Then also the offset command will be initiated, as you can see here. After that, we need to specify the offset distance. I'm clicking here, as you can see, 15 offset distance. Okay, the unit is mm. Here I have selected the my drawing unit as millimeters. So press enter now, and then we need to select the object which we want to offset. I have selected here this rectangle, and this is offset. Again, I can go further. As you can see here, I can do the inside also. I can do the offset, as you can see here. Okay, further we will see now for circle. I have clicked here, offset command selected, then pressed 10 offset distance I have specified, then pressed enter. Then this is offset. Again this is offset. For line also I can do the same. As you can see here, I can use here offset command for line also. Okay, like that. So students, in this video we have understood about how to use offset command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.